Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So this is our second part regarding the mathematics question that are for your NCHM CET examination. So guys, you can follow us on our social media handles to keep yourself updated. Guys, follow us on our Instagram or Facebook, our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp channel, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and give a like to this session. And guys, if you want to boost your studies, you can join our classroom program. If you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom program. We are in Vasai, in Dadar, in Andheri, in Thane and Borivali. Okay, and if you are not in Mumbai based, you can join our live classes also. Okay, if you are not Mumbai based, you can join our live classes. You can contact on these numbers. Okay, here you will get video lecture, mock test, books, sectional course, everything that is important to your exam point of view. Okay, to boost your studies, you can join us. So let's start with our first question. First question is, which of the following is divisible by 11? So guys, this can be done directly. Okay, you can check which of the following is divisible by 11. So we can see 901 is not a divisible. 1001 is a divisible of 11 at 91. Okay, these rest of options are not divisible by 11. So option number second is your answer. Next, you have to find out the sum of first 20 odd natural numbers. This is a direct hit question. Okay, you have to find out the first odd 20 odd natural numbers का आपको sum चाहिए. So for this is a function summation for the odd natural numbers. A function is given by what? This is given by n square, where n is your what? This is the n natural numbers. कितना है? This is 20. 20 square is what? This is gonna be your 400. So option number D, that is 400 is the answer. Next question is, if you are given, if the sum of a number and its square is 240, you have to recognize what is the number. So you can basically say that the square is what? X square plus x is equals to what? This is 240. Okay, and you need to find out the value of x. You can make a quadratic equation, or you can directly hit by the option, which is the best method. So you can see x square, that is 15 square is what? This is 225 plus 15 is what? This is 240. You can directly hit by the options. If you remember the squares, you can directly go by the options. Guys, do like and share the video. Now next question. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 4:3. Okay, if a 5 liter of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes what? 4:5. So you need to find out the quantity of the milk. आपको quantity of milk बताना है. See, what you have changed is, you have changed the water. अपने water के अंदर substitute किया है. You have added water. Initially we had milk and water. What? Milk was 4 and अभी भी कितना है? This is same. That means milk becomes same. Milk is remaining same. Now change can be seen in the water. That is what? From 3 to ये कितना बना है? From 3 this becomes 5. For 3 this becomes 5. After what? After adding 2 units, and 2 unit is given to you what? How much? This is 5 liters. And you are asked कि आपके पास milk कितना है. You have to find out milk in the mixture, and milk का you can see this is 4 units. So if 2 unit is 5 liter, I can say 4 unit is what? This is 10 liters. You can directly hit by the option, or you can go by the traditional equation, but that can be a lengthy one. Now next question is, you have to find out the square root of the given number, that is 1,56,816. This can be a very much calculative if you don't remember the tricks, but if you remember a little bit tricks, you can directly hit the answer. You can see the options. Options are given you what? 196, 296, 396 and 496 are the options, and you have to see what? You have to find out which is the square root of this one. So what you have to do is take the square of 200. कितना होगा? This gonna be nothing but what? That's gonna be your 40,000, which is very less than this term. So बच्चे 196 cannot be your possible. Now for this I'm checking for 300. The square of 300 is what? This is 90,000. So this is also very lesser than this. So now this cannot be the possible answer. 396 का nearest number is 400, and square of 400 is what? This is 1,60,000. So now you can see 400 square is more than this number. So absolutely what gonna happen is इसके number से the square root of this particular number gonna be what? This is gonna be less than 400, and this is only the third option. 396 gonna be your answer. Okay. Next you have to simplify the given equation. You are given 0.3 into 0.3 plus what? Plus you are given 0.3 into 0.3 minus 0.6 into 0.03. So here students, you might get a little bit confused after looking the options, but this is a very easy question. See, what is this? This is 0.3 square. This is what? This is 0.03 square. And what is this? 0.06 can be written as what? This can be written as 2 into 0.3. लिखा जा सकता है. Next is 0.03. As it is, write down करेंगे. So now you can see this is a formula of the term, which is what? This is a minus b whole square. This is given to you a minus b whole square. So I can say this is nothing but this is 0.3 minus 0.03 whole square. Okay, and divided by 0.54. So you can say this term gonna be come out to be what? This is gonna be 0.27 square, or you can say 0.27 into 0.27 by what? By 0.54. Now decimal से decimal उड़ाएंगे. 27 से 54 कितना? 2 पे कैंसिल. 0.27 को 2 से हाफ करना है. What this gonna be? This gonna be your 0.135. Option number 4 is your answer. Okay, a little algebra and you can go through it. Next question is from Aegis. You are given 5 years ago Mr. Sohanlal was thrice as old as his son. That is, if I talk about the present day, Sohanlal की अगर age s है, 5 years ago कितना होगा? He gonna be 5 less. His son gonna be what? Okay, Sohanlal, let's see, this is, and this is son. Son की age 5 कम होगा, and this is what? He was thrice his age. So he gonna be 3:1 होगा. We have a ratio gonna be what? 3:1. And now you are given 10 years from now will be twice as old his son. That is 10 years from present. This is Sohanlal from 10 years now. His son 10 years from now. The gonna be ratio gonna be what? 2:1. Twice होगा. Okay, and you need to tell me Sohanlal's present age. So look at the question. If you have attended the class, I told you in multiple times, the trick says what? It says that ratio should remain the same. Difference between the ratio should remain the same. This is between what? 1 and 3 का difference कितना है? This is 2, because ages हैं. Ages में difference change नहीं होता. अभी यहाँ age difference कितना है? This is 1 difference, but हमें 2 बनाना होगा. So this can be written as 4/2. अभी difference same है. So now you can say Sohanlal moved from 3 to 4. Sohanlal moved from 3 to 4 हुआ in the ratio. Okay, and in actual life, how much did he travel? That is from -5 he traveled to what? To 0 until future 10. That is, he traveled 15 years. So you can say this 3 to 4 difference, that is 1 unit. 1 unit is nothing but equals to 15 years. So you can directly equate in any of the equation. I am using this one equation, that is s minus 5 is equals to 3. 3 unit will be what? 1 unit is 15, 3 unit gonna be what? 3 into 15, that is 45. So Sohanlal's present age is what? 45 plus 5, that is 50 years. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next, trader marks his good 20% above the cost price and allows a discount of 15%. find his gain percentage. Very easy question from profit loss. What you have to do is, firstly you have to assume your cost price be 100. Okay, you have to mark it's above that, gonna be this will become 120, and now you have to give a discount of 15%, so this will become your final selling price. This is gonna be what, 120 into 85 by 100. So you can say this is 0 से 0 cancel, this is going to be 5, this is going to be what, this is going to be 6, 5 से cancel होगा, 85 at 17, and 17 into 6 is what, this is 102. So initially you had this with the 0, you started with the 100 and you sold at the 102. So बच्चे कितना अर्न किया, 100 के ऊपर 2 का अर्निंग हुआ है, so percentage is what, 2% का गेन है. ओके, नेक्स्ट मूव करते हैं. You are given a batsman scored 220 runs which includes 11 boundaries and 11 six. Okay, what is the percentage of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? Okay, that is between running कितना बना है. You are given a one boundary is a 4, one boundary is a 4, 11, 1 6 is a what, 6 runs. So you can say how boundary से कितना बना है, he make 11 into 4, that is 44 runs, and from 11 6 he made what, 11 into 6, that is what, 66 run. That means a total of 110 run उसने कब से बनाए, from the boundaries and sixes. Okay, total score कितना, that is 210. That means running between the wickets से कितना score है, you can say directly 110, which is what, which is nothing, the 50% of his total score. Next, a man sold 250 chairs and had a profit equal to the selling price of 50 chairs. Profit कितना है, selling price of 50 chairs. His profit percentage is what? You can directly equate the question. This will be what? 250 is selling price is equals to what? 250 cost price. And there is a profit. Profit is what? This is selling price of 50 chairs. So you can add this is 50 SP. Now you can equate the equation. You will get what? 200 selling price is equals to what? 250 cost price. Now comparing selling price and cost price, you will get what? Selling price by cost price is what? This is 5 by 4. Okay, that means 4 rupees की चीज़ को 5 में सेल किया, earned 1 rupees extra. So you can say 1 by 4 का profit, and 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. You can go by the fractions. At 4 rupees he is earning 1 rupee. So you can say he is earning 25 rupees at 100. So answer gonna be 25%. So our next question is, guys, this is from a missing series, number series से question आपके पास. You are given 125, 80, 45 blank, and you have to find the next number. So what you have to do is just take out the difference. Firstly, we can find out difference between 125 and 80 is what? This is 45. Nextly, our difference is what? This is 80 and 45. This is difference is 35. Okay, so now you can see difference is what? Double difference is getting reduced by 10 numbers. अभी 45 or 35 और next gonna be what? Next आपके पास हो सकता है 25. Next should be what? 15. We gonna check this. 45 minus 25 is what? This is 20, and 20 minus 15 is what? Your 5. So answer is correct is what? This is option second, 20 is the right answer. That is double difference क्या हो रहा है? Double difference is reduction of 10 का हो रहा है. Okay, चलिए. Next again from the number series, and this one is a very easy question. You are given 1, 4, 9, 16 dash 36, 49. You can directly hit the answer. This is what? These are the square of natural number. So answer next gonna be what? That gonna be 25. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and this should be 5 square. That is 25 is the answer. Next again from a missing number, you have to find what? You are given 122, 145, 170, 197 dash, and next is 257. Now you need to find out what gonna be this term. So again we can do what? Firstly, what come to our mind is take out the difference. क्या होगा बच्चों? This is gonna be what? This is 23 Next, what is this difference? This difference is 25. What is this difference? This is your 27. So you can see difference क्या हो रहा है? Difference is increasing by 2 number. 23 से 25, 25 से 27. Next should be what? 29 होगा. That means 29 ऐड करेंगे. What this gonna become? This will become 226. नेक्स्ट चेक कीजिए 226 में कितना 29 से 31 होना चाहिए. इज दिस हैपनिंग? यस, दिस इज कमिंग. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन थर्ड, दैट इज 226. नेक्स्ट इज given to you the salary of the worker is first increased by 5% and then is decreased by 5%. What is the net change in his salary? So students, आपको multiple times क्लास में बताया इन ऐसे केसेस के अंदर when there is a firstly increase and then is decrease, so in these cases there gonna be always a loss or there gonna be always a decrease, and which is equals to what? That is equals to x square by 100 percentage, where x is what? Your increase or decrease value. Here you are given this is 5, so 5 square by 100% का loss होगा. You can say this is 5 square is 25 by 100, 25 by 100%, और you can say 0.25% का decrease होगा. Okay, net salary is what? That gonna be decreased by 0.25%. Next, if the income of Ravi is 20% more than that of Ram, okay, then income of Ram is how much percent less than that of Ravi? You can, if you know the fractional formula, you can directly hit the question. You are given what? Ravi का income कितना है? 20% ज़्यादा है किससे? राम के comparison. So you can say Ravi is what? 20% का fraction होता है student 1 by 5. That means 5 से कितना extra है? This 1. That means Ravi is 6 by 5 of Ram. So we can say Ram is what? Ram is 5 by 6 of Ravi. Okay, so from 6 से कितना कम है? 6 से 1 कम है, 6 से 5 है, that is 1 less. 1 less than 6, that is 1 by 6 fraction. This is known as what? 16.66%. So your answer gonna be what? Option first, that is 16.6% less है. राम का इनकम रवि के इनकम से 16.6% कम है. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट मूव करते हैं. एन आइटम इज सोल्ड फॉर 680 रुपीज आफ्टर अलाउइंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 15% ऑन इट्स मार्क प्राइस. You have to find out what is the marked price. You are given the selling price, you are given the discount, and you have to find out what is the marked price. So 15% is what? 15% is nothing, but you can say this is 3 by 20. That is 20 rupees में से आपको कितना डिस्काउंट मिला है? 3 rupees is your discount. So you will receive a 20 rupees के आइटम को you will receive at 17. So you can say this is your selling price and this is your mark price. Now selling price आपको given है, that is 680. So mark price कितना हो जाएगा? 17 का कितना times है? This is 40 times of 17. So 20 का 40 times will be your what? That gonna be your mark price. So 20 into 40, that is 800 rupees. So rupees 800 is going to be your marked price. Next question. A man can row with a speed of 6 km per hour in still water. That means the speed of man is given to you, that is 6 km. Next, what will be his speed with the stream? You are given speed with the stream. If the speed of stream is given to you 2 km, stream is given to you 2 km per hour. Now आपसे पूछे with the stream, so that gonna be what? Speed gonna be added. That gonna be 6 plus 2 is what? 8 km per hour should be your answer. अगर आपसे अपोजिट अगेंस्ट पूछता, दैट आंसर gonna be what? That gonna be 6 minus 2 should be your answer. But in this case 8 is your correct answer. Next, you are given a bird takes 8 hours to row 48 km downstream. Again board and stream का question है, very important. Now you are given downstream speed. We can say this is x plus y. This is gonna be what? 48 km row करने के लिए 8 hours. So speed gonna be what? 48 by 8. You can say this is what? 6 km per hour his speed in the downstream. That means boat plus stream का speed है. Next, and 12 hours to row the same distance upstream against the current, that is x minus y given है, that is 48 by 12 is what? This is 4 kilometer per hour. So now you are asked what is the speed of the stream, that is y का value पूछे आपसे. So what you gonna do is you gonna subtract this term, this negative gonna become addition, this is gonna become negative. So your y plus y is what? 2y is equals to what? 6 minus 4, that is 2 kilometer per hour. So y gonna be what? Y gonna be half, that is 1 kilometer per hour gonna be your answer. Okay. So from here you can also answer the speed of the man or the boat. Next, a wheel makes 2000 revolutions in covering a distance of 88 kilometer. Next, you have to find the radius of the wheel. You have to answer what is the radius of the wheel. Now, you have to given the distance is what? 88 kilometer. You know that in one revolution, distance covered is what? This is 2 pi r. This is 2 pi r. Okay. Now, you are given in 2000 revolution, that is 2000 revolution. Distance covered is what? This is 88 kilometer. So you can say this is in 88,000 meters. Okay, so from here you can put the value of pi and you can equate the equation. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 2000. This is 88,000. So you can cancel the 1000 with the 1000. 22 into 2 is 44, into 2 is what? 88. That means I can directly cancel, this will become 1, that is r gonna be equals to what? This r gonna be nothing but 7 meter. Okay. Next question पे चलते हैं. Very easy question. You are asked the LCM of the given term 15, 24, 32 and 45. So what gonna be the LCM of this term? Basically what we have to do is we have to do the prime factorization. So prime factorization for 15 gonna be what? This gonna be 3 into 5 power 1. For 24 this is gonna be what? This is gonna be 2 cube, that is 8 into 3. Okay, for 32 this is gonna be what? This is gonna be 2 का power कितना होगा? This is gonna be 2 power 5. Okay. Next gonna be there is nothing another number. This is 45. 45 is what? This is 3 square, that is 9 into 5. So बच्चे यहाँ से हम हाईएस्ट पावर पिक कर सकते हैं. 2 का हाईएस्ट पावर कितना है? पावर 5, that is 2 का पावर 5 into what? 3 का पावर यहाँ से हाईएस्ट पिक कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से 3 square, that is 9. 3 square and 5 का पावर you have only 1. Power 1 ही है common, so this is going to be power 1. So you can say this is going to be what? This is going to be 32 into 9 into 5. So your answer is going to be what? 1440. Option number C. This is going to be your correct answer. Okay. चलिए next move करते हैं. You have to find out the least number which when divided by 24, 30, 54 leaves 5 as the remainder. So that means बच्चों what you have to find out, you have to find out the LCM of these number and then what? आपको 5 रिमाइंडर चाहिए तो क्या कीजिए? 5 ऐड कीजिए LCM के अंदर. So LCM of 24, 30 and 54 is what? This is nothing but 1080 is the LCM. So what you have to do is we have need 5 as the remainder. So what we gonna do is we gonna add 5 in this. So this will become what? 1085. Option number D gonna be your right answer. Now next question, again you are to find highest common factor HCF of the term 24, 30 and 42. So again we gonna write them in the prime factorization and find out the least powers of the values. Okay, 24 can be written as what? This can be written as 2 cube into 3. 30 can be written as what? This can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. Simple. 42 can be written as what? This can be again written as 2 into 3 into 7. So from here you need to check out which term is the common. 5 and 7 common नहीं है, 3 आपका कॉमन है एंड 2 का पावर 1 कॉमन है. सो आंसर गोना बी व्हाट? दिस गोना बी 2 into 3. सो 6 इज द आंसर. अदरवाइज आप डायरेक्टली हिट करके भी देख सकते हैं कि हाँ विच इज द हाईएस्ट टर्म विच इज डिवाइडिंग एवरी वन. ओके, next you are given 3 cubes of the iron whose edges are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter respectively are melted, melt किया गया and formed into a single cube. They have formed a single cube. The edge of the new cube formed is what? So students, in these cases mensuration के ऐसे cases में what gonna happen is you remember volume never changes. That means the volume of first one plus volume of second one, volume of third one is equals to gonna be what? The volume of the final single cube. The final single cube. So इसका volume कितना होगा? This is gonna be 6 cube. This is gonna be what? 8 cube. This is gonna be what? 10 cube. Addition करेंगे, that is 216 plus 512 plus what? 1000. So you will get what? You will get 1728. And this is what? Student, 1728 is cube of what? This is nothing but this is 12 cube. So edge of your new cube formed is what? This is 12 centimeter. Okay. Next question. You have to find out the simple interest on rupees 7,200 at the 8% per annum for 10 months. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का क्वेश्चन है एंड योर ड्यूरेशन इज गिवन यू 10 मंथ्स. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ चेंजेस नहीं करेंगे बट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस 10 मंथ्स इन द ईयर फॉर्मेट. सो हाउ यू गोना राइट डाउन दिस 10 मंथ्स? यू गोना से दीज आर नथिंग बट 10 by 12 years. Okay, and now you can directly create the formula, that is P into R into T by 100 for the simple interest, and then you will get your answer. That is 7200 into 8 into 10 by 12 by 100. Cancel करेंगे double zeros. We're gonna cancel 12 at 72 for 6, and now 6 into 8 is 48 into 10 is what? This is gonna be 480 rupees. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Moving ahead, आगे चलते हैं. You are given rupees 25,000 is borrowed at compound interest at the rate of 3% for the first year, 4% for the second year, 5% for the third year. Find the amount to be paid after 3 years. That means basically आपसे बच्चों पूछा है कि amount पूछा है. So you know compound interest में क्या होता है? What happens is the amount, the principal what? यो आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है? कैरी ओवर होता है. एवरी ईयर योर अमाउंट बिकम्स व्हाट? योर अमाउंट बिकम्स योर प्रिंसिपल. सो बेसिकली व्हाट गोना हैपन इज 25,000. फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए रेट है 3%, दैट इज इनिशियली 100 रुपीज विल बिकम व्हाट? 103. सेकेंड ईयर के लिए योर रेट इज 4%, दैट इज 100 रुपीज विल बिकम व्हाट? दे विल बिकम 104 रुपीज. नेक्स्ट ईयर दिस इज गिवन टू यू 5%, दैट इज 100 विल बिकम व्हाट? They will become 105. So from here you can cancel, double zero gonna cancel out, 1 0 gonna cancel out again, and now you can cancel for 25 can be cancelled with the 100 at 4, and 100 can be cancelled with the 104 at 26, and 26 can be half with 13, and this can be made 5. 5 से 105 cancel करेंगे, this is going to be 21. So now you have 21 into 13 into 103. So basically we can go by the calculation, or we can do one more thing, that is your unit digit concept. That is 1 into 3 into 3 कितना होगा? That going to be 9. सभी जगह पे applicable है. Next is your sum of digits, that is digital sum, which is very important. Digital sum is also very important. So you can say digital sum here is what? This is 4. Here is what? This is 4. 3 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 4. Now 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Now you have to apply what? आपको multiplication चाहिए. That is 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. Or you can say 4 plus 8 12. Or you can say 2 plus 1 3. Your digital sum comes out to be 3. Now you have to check किसके अंदर applicable है. You can see 9, 6 प्लस 2 प्लस 1 कितना 9, 9 एंड 9 गना कैंसिल आउट, 9 का आगे आपको पता है रिपीट हो जाता है, that means 1 gonna be your digital sum, this is not possible. 7 plus 2 9, this is 9, 1 plus 1 2 gonna be your digital sum, not possible. You can see here 8 plus 1 9, this is 9, this is 2 and this remaining is 1, 2 and 1 3 digital sum है, this is a possible case. Next you can see 9 and 9 18 and this is what 9 का कोई यूज नहीं है, रिपीट हो जाता है, 2 plus 1 plus 1, this is 4, no use. So option number 3rd is your correct answer. That is, you can go by the digital sum if you wanna save your calculation time. Otherwise आप calculation करके भी निकाल सकते हैं आंसर. Okay. Next, a merchant commences with a certain capital and gains annually at the rate of 25%. At the end of 3 years, his capital is worth 10,000. What was his original capital? That means every year annual gain is what? Annual gain is 25%, or you can say 1 by 4 fraction is his gain. You can say 1 by 4 fraction is his gain. That is, at every 4 rupee he earns 1 rupee. Or you can say initially, let us assume his amount was x rupees. That will become what? That will become 5 from the 4. 4 से कितना बनेगा? 4 में 1 इंक्रीमेंट लेके 5 बनेगा. Similarly for 3 years this gonna happen, and finally this becomes to what? This becomes 10,000. So now you can cancel the 5 cube 125 with the this at what? It at 8. 8 पे cancel हो जाएगा. Now 4 into 4. 4 cube is what? 4 cube is nothing but 64. So you're gonna multiply here with the 64. Now 64 into 8 is what? 8 cube. That is 512. And I think, oh, this was 10,000 now. Okay, a 10 is remaining here. This was 10,000, not 1,000. Huh? This was 10,000. That is 10 into 8 into 64 is what? 5,020 rupees. So option number first gonna be your correct answer here. Next question. A tap can empty a tank in 15 hours. A tap can empty a tank in 15 hours. Another tap can empty the tank in 10 hours. In how much time the completely filled tank get emptied if the both taps are opened together? That is, A काम करता है कितना? 15 hours में. B is doing what? In 10 hours. Both are doing. If assuming 30 is the total work, A कितना काम कर रहा है per hour? He is doing 10 job. B is doing how much job? He is doing 3 job. Assuming this is the total job. Okay, now if both are emptying the tank, that is 3 plus 2 कितना? 5 work they are doing per hour, 5 work. तो 30 वर्क करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? That is 30 by 5, that is 6. That if both are open, they gonna empty the tank in only 6 hours. Clear? Now this one is a very good question from the geometry. You have to find out. You are given the corner AFE is cut from the rectangle as shown in the figure. The area of the remaining polygon ABCDE, that is आपको इस remaining polygon का area find out करना है. So what you have to do is just check the coordinates of the your this triangular portion. AFE is a what? This is a right angle triangle. You can see this is 3, this is 8. So I can say AF is what? This is my 5th unit. ये कितना होगा? This is going to be my 5th unit. This is 11, this is 7. So I can say this is going to be what? This is going to be my 4 units. Okay, I don't care what going to be my hypotenuse, because this is not a 3, 4, 5 triangle, because उसमें 5 का hypotenuse होता है. So basically what is your, यहाँ पे आपके पास triangle का area कितना है? हाँ, triangle का area कितना होगा? This is going to be half into base into height. That is, this is going to be 10 units. 10 centimeter square. This is going to be the area of this triangle, but you are asked the remaining polygon ka. So what you gonna do is length into breadth, that is 11 into 88. Sorry, 11 into 8, that is 88 में से कितना minus करेंगे? This 10 unit को subtract करेंगे. That is 88 minus 10. Your 78 is right answer. Option 3rd is your correct answer here. Okay, that is, this is 78 unit, this is a 10 unit area. Next, again the same question, you have to find out the area of the triangle AFE. we did in the last part. This is what, this is gonna be your 10 centimeter square. Now last, you are given the cost of carpenting a room is rupees 10 per meter square. You have to find out the cost of carpenting a room which is 4 meter wide and 6 meter long. So basically what you have to do is, you have to find out the area. That area is what, 6 into 4. This is what, 6 into 4, that is 24 meter square. Your total area is what, 6 into 4, that is 24 meter square is the total carpet area. Okay, and you have to find out the cost of carpenting. Rate charge is what, that is 10 rupees per meter. For 1 meter square आपसे कितना रुपीस लिया जाएगा, you will be charged 10 rupees. For 24 meter square, rupees will be charged what, that gonna be 10 into 24, 240 rupees gonna be your right answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. So thank you students, I hope you enjoyed the session. Now I'm gonna show you how you can avail our batches. Okay, so this is our website. You can go buy online and go for here hotel management courses पे जा सकते हैं. So student, you will find here that here we have multiple options that you can buy the full course, you can buy the books, you can buy the sectional course, you can buy the mock test, which is the most important for your studies. Okay, आपके कोर्स में, आपके स्कोर बूस्टर में सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होता है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज योर मॉक टेस्ट. यू कैन आल्सो परचेज दैट वन. यू कैन आल्सो परचेज द लाइव क्लासेज. आई एम गोना शो यू हेयर आप कैसे अवेल कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर द फुल कोर्स, यू गोना गो हेयर, यू कैन सी द कोर्सेज एंड नाउ आप अपने अकॉर्डिंगली आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. नाउ इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर 2024, यू कैन join this batches. If you are preparing for next year, then you can also join our courses which are given to you, that is for the 2025. So what you have to do is, you have to just, you can view details, you can see, you will get how much, you will get 531 video lectures, you will get handouts, you will get mock tests, everything will be given to you. बच्चों, आपका स्कोर बूस्ट करने में जो भी चीज़ चाहिए, you will get everything. Okay, although if you want, you can go for, if you want to choose, you can go for the sectional course also. अगर आपको sectional course चाहिए, आप वहाँ भी जा सकते हैं. That is, if for example, if you want for the quant section, that means then you can go avail this also. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here. You will get what? You will get 147 video lectures. You will get 21 handouts. Okay, so now students, from here you can avail and you can join the part. Okay, and for again for the offline classroom, you can join our Mumbai based centers. You can visit us on Vasai, in Dadar, in Andheri, in Thane, in Borivali. You can contact on the given numbers. Okay, and if you want to join our live classes, then give a call on this number and enjoy your studies. Thank you students.